What is up, guys? It's your boy R4UL TV, Team R4UL. We're back again, and what we're going to do now is we've got a VW Golf here, a 2008 VW Golf, and what we're going to do is we're going to change the CV boots, the outer CV boots. Dead easy job. You can do it outside your house. Get some axle stands on it, get a jack on it, block on it. Away you go. Let's go. Sorry about the mask. I have to wear it. Coronavirus, COVID-19, social distancing, masks and everything. We're ready. We're representing. Let's go. Right, the first thing we're going to do is obviously we took the wheel off. Two ways to do this. We need to crack the centre nut, yeah? So either when the car's on the floor, if you've got wheel trims on it, just take the wheel trim off, take it off, 27mm, right? Or when it goes on the when you take the wheel off, that is, you can get somebody to press the brakes, take it off that way. Or the way I do it, which is cheating, but you know what? Time is money. I'll show you. What I did is put one of the bolts back in, yeah, wheel bolts back in. Get a chisel, put it in the disc, and basically that stops it. And all we do is I've already cracked it, strong arm, 27mm socket. Take that off. There we go. Happy days. That comes off, and that's it. That's the way I would do it. That's the way I would even tighten it up. You know, get the gun on it, give it some with the gun, and then tighten it up as well. Right, the next job what we're going to do is we're going to take the ball joint off. You can either take it off from here with the one nut, but what it is, coming off no problem. When you're putting it back on the one nut, if it spins, then you've got a bit of a headache. So what I would do is take these three off, 1, 2, 3, and if it snaps, obviously then you can just put a nut and bolt on it and stuff like that. But I would take 9 times out of 10 these come off nice and easy. Put some oil on it, double D40 on it, they come off nice and easy. I would take them 3 off. Saves you the hassle of the ball joint spinning and messing about. If you're replacing the ball joint, by all means take that off. Obviously you'll have to take them 3 off as well. But we're not replacing the ball joint, we're just going to replace the CV boot, the constant velocity boot. And yeah, we're just going to take them 3 off. Okay, now that we've got the ball joint off, just pull it down, push the hub out of the way. So push that out of the way, the shaft will come out. Once it comes out, what you could do is, if you're on your own, obviously if you're doing it at home on your own, then I would get a bungee cord or something, tie it against something like a mud flap or something like a wishbone or something like that, yeah? But I'm in the garage, so I'm not on my own, but I'm on my own at the moment because they've gone to the shop and stuff, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a bungee cord and tie it against the ramp arm. So that's out of the way, then I can focus on taking the CV boot off, CV joint off as well. Alright guys, the next thing I had to do is obviously tie that up there, as you can see that contraction that I've just made. Yep. What I'm going to do is, what I've done is, I've just cut that there. Yeah. So the clip. Yep. Cut the clip off. There's one on the back, but that one is a little bit hard to get to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that clip off, push the CV boot back, cut it as far as it. What we're going to do is we're going to basically, it's rubber, right? It's a rubber clip. Sorry, rubber CV boot. We're going to cut it with a knife blade, so we can gain access to the CV joint, then just knock the CV joint off. There we have it guys, I've cut the CV boot off. The clip is still there, the inner clip is still there. I'm going to cut that off with a hacksaw. Right, what all I'm going to do now is, there's no nice ways to do this basically. 2 ways to do it actually. Yeah, there is a nice way, but a hard way. One is, the easier way I think is, knock that shaft off, the CV joint, knock that off, CV boot on, done, happy days, all good, right? Or you can get a stretchy one, stretch it over. But I don't recommend you put a stretchy one on. They're rubbish actually. Can you guys even hear me with this bloody mask on? I can't bloody, I'm like I'm muffling in it. Right, that's better. Right, I would recommend you put a normal CV boot on. Worst case scenario, if you can't get this shaft off, then you go for a stretchy universal boot. But I would put, 9 times out of 10, I put the proper CV boot on, because it fits nicely. Original one, happy days. This way, if you fit the universal one, they don't tend to fit properly, a bit loose on the sides and everything. So yeah, try knocking that off. Knocks off, makes your life easier. Put a normal one on. That's what I'm going to do now. There's no nice way to do this. I'm just going to batter it off. Okay guys, shaft is off. What we're going to do now is the dirty bit. Take these 2 washers off. There's 2 washers there, spacers and a washer. take them off. Make sure you put them on right way around as well. And now cut that inner one off, and that's it. There's a little circlip in here. What I normally do with this circlip is I get a little screwdriver and just spread it a little bit, millimeter. I mean, you don't really need to do that, but you get a new one, you can put the new one on, or if you're using the old one, sorry, if you're changing the joint, you get a new one. With the CV boot, you won't get a new one, so I just tend to just flick that open a little bit, so when we put the shaft back on, it's nice, snug fit. And yeah, let's look at that, check my hands out. Dirty. So yeah, let's get the new one and fit it. Right guys, there we have it. We've got the new one back on. The front clip, I've just put the original clip back on. Not the original, but the new one, the metal clip. The back one, I've just put a cable tie on. You can just put the cable tie. You can put the original, the new clip that comes with it. Put that one on. I've just put a cable tie on. It should do the job as good. Just fit it in reverse order. Basically, put that back in there. Put the ball joints back on. Not ball joints, sorry, the nuts on the ball joints. This one snapped, so I might just put a new. Well, it was snapped from before, so I might just put a new bolt on there. I think I should, yeah. And yeah, just fit it in reverse order. Happy days. Okay, guys, CV boot is on. The ball joint nuts are on. Only thing to do is tighten that up, the center nut, put the wheel back on, and happy days, job done. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Dead easy job. You can do it outside your house. Put some, make sure you put axle stands on it, you put a block on the back wheel, jack it up, make sure it's safe. Last thing you want is the car falling on you. That's the last thing you want. But dead easy job. You can do it outside your house. Anyway guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys soon.